Forget surviving on just one skill in the next few years, because AI is taking over fast, and if you want to stay ahead, you need to become a polymath. Now, what is polymath? In simple words, a polymath is a person who masters multiple skills. And in today's video, I'm going to share a psychological proven step-by-step method to become a smart polymath. Starting with step 1, pick your first 3 domains. Start by choosing 3 skills from different areas, not similars. Pick one creative skill, like drawing, one technical, like coding, and one physical, like boxing or dancing. Picking differently is important because when you switch between different skills, your brain builds completely new pathways, like a coder who dances thinks differently than a coder who just codes. I think you got the point. Step 2, the 20-minute rule. Now, after picking 3 skills, give 20 minutes to each skill every single day. That's 1 hour total. But why only 20 minutes? Look, I was trying to study 3 hours daily. I did it for 3 days, but on day 4, after 30 minutes, my focus just dropped. And when I researched, I understood that our brain stays focused for 15 to 25 minutes max. And this is proven. That's why Pomodoro technique is so famous. So, start small and increase later. Step 3, connect the dots. This is the interesting part. Every week, ask yourself, how does my first skill relate to my second skill? For example, music uses rhythm patterns. Coding uses algorithm patterns. Suddenly, you realize they're the same thing. These connections create unique insights that no one else has. This is how you become unpredictable and creative. Polymaths don't just learn skills, they connect dots and create something new from it. Step 4, teach what you learn. Every 2 weeks, teach something you learned to someone. Post online, explain to a friend, or teach your cats. I heard cats are good listeners. Why does this work? When you teach, your brain organizes everything deeply. Remember this, you don't truly own knowledge until you can give it away. Step 5, add new skills every 3 months. After 90 days with your first 3 skills, you'll feel comfortable. Not perfect, but good enough. And that's when you add one more skill. But don't drop the old ones, just reduce timing for old ones. Adding a new skill every 3 months keeps you growing without burning out. Do this for 2 years and you'll have 8+ skills running at the same time. Step 6, create something that combines everything. Every 6 months, make one project using all your skills together. For example, you learned coding, designing, and writing, so build an app using coding skill, design the interface using designing skill, and write the marketing copy yourself using writing skill. This step proves you're not just collecting skills, but you're combining them, and that combination is what makes you a smart polymath. So we learned these things. Pick 3 skills from different categories and give 20 minutes daily. Connect dots weekly and teach to someone every 2 weeks. Add skills every 3 months and create something every 6 months. And if you follow this roadmap, in the next 2 years, you'll be a smart polymath. Remember, the world doesn't need more specialists. It needs polymaths. So start now, not today.